Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a brand new 2023 Harris Solstice 230. Brand new badging for 2023 on the Harris emblem. We have sterling gray metallic with an accent in red. So I come back, our port side door here. Saltwater edition, solid keel along the bottom of the pontoons, anodes bolted to the back. We have a power bimini top up above my head for those low bridges. Move the bimini top up and close with a hit of a button. As I move to the aft of the boat, we have a single lounge roof with an extended swim platform. Solstice also has flip-up cleats standard. We brought this boat in with the optional safety rail system in the back. These chains, when they're closed, allows you to ride on the boat facing outward safely because you're still enclosed inside the boat. You also have the fender holders on the back. See, we have our Verado in the back right here. Power trim tilt gas tank, performance level 2, 37-gallon fuel tank with a full center length pontoon. Okay, we moved up on the aft of the boat. Plenty of room on the swim platform. You can see your family jumping off, swimming on the side, sitting on the side with your legs over. Of course, our ski bar for that 250 Verado. Plenty of power on this 23-foot boat. This is the single lounger layout. On the port side, there's a built-in cooler that drains underneath. Lots of storage underneath the back seat. The Solstice also has a recliner pad. If you give this up, if I move this cushion, move this backrest, you can now lounge facing forward as we're going. You can also put this in a 45-degree angle. Drop this down and be lounging afterwards. There's stereo controls, ports on the port side when you're sitting in the aft. You're sitting up here in the main cockpit. In the pockets, there's charge ports and cup holders every which way. So we move over here to the helm. You can see we have our nice high back chair with a raised helm. The accent color white, this is new for 2023. It's very close to matching our bamboo flooring under my feet. C-deck on the raised platform. This boat has a tech level 2, so twin Simrad screens, upgraded sound system, wireless charger, and our cup holder down the bottom here, and all of our instrumentation and switching on the right. With that 250 Verado, we have digital throttle, digital shift. This boat also has in-floor storage, cup holders and storage on the inside, and storage as you walk through with a change house. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you.